Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Lightroom catalogs to Photoshop for brand photos, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Lightroom catalogs to Photoshop for brand photos, begin by opening Lightroom on your computer. Navigate to the library module where your images are stored. Select the photos you want to edit in Photoshop. Right-click on the selected images to open the context menu. Choose the Edit In option from the menu. Select Adobe Photoshop from the submenu that appears. If prompted, choose how you want to edit the photos. You can select Edit a Copy or Edit Original to suit your needs. Click Open to transfer your selected images to Photoshop. Once Photoshop opens, you can begin your editing process. Make the necessary adjustments to the images in Photoshop. When you are finished with your edits, go to File in the top menu. Select Save or Save As to ensure your changes are saved. This will automatically bring the edited image back into Lightroom. Navigate back to Lightroom to find your edited photo in the catalog. You will notice that the edited version appears next to the original image. This workflow allows you to seamlessly connect Lightroom catalogs to Photoshop for effective brand photography. Each step ensures your images stay organized while benefiting from the powerful tools of both applications. Incorporate this method in your post-production routine to elevate your brand's visual content. Follow these steps carefully for a smooth editing experience between Lightroom and Photoshop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.